and I are close friends, and we go years back. He is also a close friend and campaign contributor of Senator Chis Escudero. Maynard Ngu asked me to submit a list of projects. I personally submitted a list of projects to Maynard Ngu, and some of the items therein pertaining to Valenzuela and Marinduque projects were subsequently included in the General Appropriations Act. A copy of the list of Valenzuela and Marinduque projects is here to attach to this affidavit as Annex A. When I gave him the list and in relation to the commitment, I asked him, "Boss, paano to?" Maynard replied, "Bahala ka na." I asked, "Boss, okay na ba ang 20%? Maynard said, "Okay." After inclusion of the projects in Dagaa, sometime in 2023, Maynard Ngu told me to go to Cork and meet Senator Chis Escudero, which I did. I met with the latter in a private room in the said establishment. While we were drinking wine, he told me, "Alam ko naman ang galawan nyo dyan sa DPWH. Okay naman ako. Sabihin mo kay Sec magbaba sa akin." Also, the delivery of the 160 million for Senator Chis referred to in paragraph 17 of my affidavit happened sometime in the first quarter of 2025. Around July 2025, I had a chance encounter with Senator Chis and Maynard Ngu at the court. Senator Chis Escudero approached me, shook my hand, and said to me, "Thank you."
Samantalang sina former Senators Bong Revilla and now Makati Mayor Nancy Binay allegedly received 125 million pesos at 37 million pesos sa kickback respectively.
Senator Revilla asked for a commitment, which I suggested. Then he approved at 25% of the total amount of the projects indicated in the list, the 25% commitment to Engineer Alcantara, and told him that Senator Revilla will appreciate additional contributions for his senatorial re-election bid, and then delivered to Senator Revilla in his house in Cavite. Sometime in the year 2024, Carlin Villa, a staff of trusted confidant of Senator Binay, called me and asked for a commitment which was set at 15% of the total amount of the projects indicated in the list. Alcantara collected 15% commitment, or about 37 million, which was turned over to me, and which I then delivered to Senator Binay at a house in Quezon